This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in Texas: Cochran, Crosby, Floyd, Garza, Hale, Hockley, Lamp, Lubbock, Lytton, and Terry. Timing: periods of heavy snow and blizzard conditions will expand into the rolling plains tonight, whereas areas on the Cap see improving conditions develop after midnight. Winds and visibility: northerly winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 50 miles per hour. Visibility from falling and blowing snow will be 0 at times. Snow totals: additional snowfall of 5 to 8 inches is likely across the South Plains, with generally lesser amounts elsewhere. Coldest wind chills from -4 to 10 above zero. Impacts: travel is not recommended anywhere in the region through Monday morning, unless it is an emergency. Many motorists have been stranded after attempting to travel on snow and ice-covered roads. Roads will likely remain treacherous following the storm as temperatures fail to rise above freezing in most areas for days. A blizzard warning means extremely low visibilities from falling and blowing snow are likely. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you and ensure your fuel tanks are full. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
The current time is 6:59 p.m. Central Standard Time.
The 6 p.m. observations for Sunday, December 27th. The report from Lubbock International Airport was not available. At the Science Spectrum, the temperature was 27. Other area observations: at Plainview, 25. Light snow falling. North wind 35 miles an hour gusting to 43. Abilene, fog reported, 30. North wind 23 miles an hour gusting to 36. At Clovis, freezing rain and fog were reported, 23. North wind at 38 miles an hour gusting to 48. And now, selected regional observations. 41 at Austin with a thunderstorm with hail reported. At Houston, a thunderstorm reported, 52. Light freezing rain and fog reported at Oklahoma City, 32. Ruidoso, light snow falling, 19. Once again at 6 p.m.
A quick look at the forecast for Lubbock and vicinity. Tonight, windy, snow until midnight, then snow likely after midnight. Areas of blowing snow through the night. Snow may be heavy at times until midnight. Snow accumulation around 2 inches. Lows around 17. North winds 30 to 35 miles an hour decreasing to 20 to 30 miles an hour after midnight. Gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chills of 0 to 5 above zero.
The latest West Texas mesonet observations as of 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time. Reese Center, 24 degrees. Humidity 98% with the north wind at 34, gusting to 42 miles an hour. Wind chill 5. It was 25 at Northwest Lubbock. Humidity 95%, north wind at 24, gusting to 36. Wind chill 10. At Wolfforth, it was 24, humidity 94%, wind north at 38, gusting to 48. Wind chill 6. Amherst, 24, humidity 98%, north at 37, gusting to 45. Wind chill 5. It was 25 at Floydada, humidity 100%, with the north wind at 6. It was 26 at Slayton, humidity 99% with the north wind at 28, gusting to 47. Wind chill 10. It was 24 at Levelland, humidity 92%, north wind at 37, gusting to 47. Wind chill 5. Rawls, 26, humidity 93% with the north wind at 27. Wind chill 10. Brownfield, 24, humidity 97%, north at 31, gusting to 42. Wind chill 6. It was 26 at Tahoka, humidity 93%, north wind at 32. Wind chill 9.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Lubbock and vicinity. Tonight, windy, snow until midnight, then snow likely after midnight. Areas of blowing snow through the night. Snow may be heavy at times until midnight. Snow accumulation around 2 inches. Lows around 17. North winds 30 to 35 miles an hour decreasing to 20 to 30 miles an hour after midnight. Gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chills of 0 to 5 above zero. Monday, breezy. Partly sunny in the morning and clearing. Areas of blowing snow in the morning. Highs around 30. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour decreasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wind chills of 0 to 11 above 0 in the morning. Monday night, mostly clear. Patchy fog, lows around 13. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.